You're not a teacher. Stop this math equational shit. Tam low, pit dish. What? You're weird. You have random shit.
In my
you have a hairdryer that looks like a turbo.
He wasn't lying about that.
Okay, alright, next thing. You think you got turbo blanket or something? What the fuck is this fucking goddamn motherfucking...
Today, Junior!
Shut to fix walls? Excuse me, but why you got half unfinished motor right there, a fully finished motor right here, and no motor in this vehicle? I'm not happy. Why you got brake lines like that when your car's old as shit and they're not broken? What the fuck's going on?
Uno.
Dos.
Tres.
Yeah, nobody hit my shit today, so we're good. Actually motivated to potentially do this, although it is raining.
So this is what happens when you try to change wheels and you're not prepared. That's a hub-centric ring. This is an electrical prong. It's our screwdriver.
Come to Papa. Bob's your auntie.
Yo, you know what we should do one day?
What?
We should go to embarrass ourselves at a NASCAR pit crew.
I mean, we embarrass ourselves constantly, just not pit crew. Are you kidding me? Pit crew with this?
Finally gets it.
You guys bring any power tools? I am the power tool. Oh. Oh. Ah. Leave with it, rock with it.
It's a
power stance.
It's an odd technique.
Power stance!
Ain't getting much of a voltage reading here.
I think you'd have better luck with a banana.
This one's yours, bro. Switch. Drop it like it's hot.
Would have been funny if you just launched it.
It makes me feel real strong when I do that.
Could have just brought power tools.
The tool!
Yes, you're a tool, we know. I think you're good, bro.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
I meant like height-wise.
That really appreciates me, you know?
Because I was holding it like this. I was like, yeah, maybe the viewers might break their neck.
Break your neck looking at my BMW, son! That's so gay. Sorry. Not like G-A-Y, but more like G-A-Y-E. You know what I'm saying?
Like guy?
Yeah.
You got a flathead right there!
I told you this! And you were like, nah, bro, let me use this fucking, yeah. This electrical thing. These are my tools, by the way, and I clearly just don't know what I'm doing.
It's called a prong.
That's prong, bro.
Can you do that like farther away, guy?
That made me feel better.
Oh my god! What the? Ah! You stink!
Guys, this isn't just like a joke. He literally over analyzes everything, and it'll take like 25 minutes to tell you, bruh, that the off button turns it off.
No, but it doesn't though.
This is real life.
No, this is a simulation.
And you're
Conspiracy alert.
Oh, did you get the thing off?
Yes.
I wasn't paying attention.
I know. I work faster than I can explain things, okay? There's a...
Did I touch you?
No, there's just like snot hanging out of my nose. And you're like in it.
Come here, let daddy show you. Let me teach you something.
We're white and nerdy.
Oh, that's racist.
Okay, fine, we're just nerdy.
We literally brought her and she fucking hates her life right now.
The newer the generation gets, the lazier they are. Oblivious.
Yeah, if anybody else's girlfriend wants to comment in the below, then I'm sure they'll be able to relate. What are you doing?
I have a nut. No, I don't want the camera.
I'll give you a nut.
Promise?
We're straight, I swear.
We're brothers. That would be incestuous.
This is why he is a single man. Cannot find the
Really?
hole,
That's why?
even in the light. What is Caucasian?
This.
I was like, are you just straight up ignoring me now? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to break your heart. Everything's not working the way we want. Da-na-na-na. Potatoes ain't got nothing on me.
Okay.
Sorry. What?
In the butt. Because this is the back of the car.
Only with permission.
No.
Oh, that's not allowed. No struggle snuggles.
No, you just go for it, and if it doesn't work out, just take the consequences. That one's not really a permission type ordeal.
I feel like that was a pun in itself. Oh yeah.
You just
let me begin.
What?
What? You'll see. Somebody's gonna comment and be like, "Hey, I like how that's Matt's car, but you're doing the work." I did some. I did my share. All right. By the way, excuse the mess. Not this mess.
Excuse? Wow.
Excuse.
Call me a mess.
Easter egg.
Easter egg?
Yeah, find the Easter egg.
I am not an Easter egg.
I mean, like a white chocolate, I guess.
Normal brown chocolate.
No, you're barely even. Look, you got your winter colors on, dude.
Yeah, I haven't been out of the house.
We're in the sun. More power.
More power, baby. You know what's donut media?
I want a donut.
No, donut media, bro.
Is that like a do not media?
I mean, a lot of their stuff is.
I mean, same. So yeah, this is my E46. It's got stuff done to it. JK.
Got a motor swap, technically.
Like a phoenix, reborn from the ashes.
It also has a man pedal, and then it's got 6 manly gears in there.
6 speedy boys. 4 window operations. That's hella dark. You can't see shit. Obviously, you guys, you know, you gotta have that black ice in your car. You know what I'm saying? The black ice. Oh, side note, this is what I wanted to do. So you guys can see all that in the back there, right? That's because my back seats are down. And currently, the ski thing is actually all over the place. Your boy here decided, and by your boy, I mean me.
Black. You're the only one that's gonna be somebody's boy.
Helpful hint. If you own one of these cars and you decide to store it for the winter, if you disconnect the battery, don't close the trunk. But if you do, because I did, because I'm not so smart, you lock yourself out of the trunk when your battery is in the trunk. If you should know this if you have one of these. Disconnected it, your dumbass decided to close the trunk, you can't get back in it. Someone on the internet was like, yo, go through the ski thing in the back seat. You get there, you realize, you know what, my car's actually put together properly and you can't get to it unless you have super skinny arms or whatever the case may be. Pop the hood! You come find this. Hook up your booster cables from your winter car or your buddy's car. Slap, bam, find negative, bam. Hit the key fob, open the trunk. What's up? It took me 2 hours to figure that out. I know not everyone is as dumb as me, but hey, just in case you need to figure it out, it's on the internet now. Civic life.
And I got a pair of 16s, but they don't come in 17s. I wish they did.
You know the story about these tires?
I am the story! They haven't seen the other car.
Which other car?
My other car. So
Yeah.
they haven't seen the other tires.
Right.
Oh! We got Matt's wheels and tires swapped over. He wanted his nice summer tires off of the car for storage during winter because it does sit for like 5 months with these Canadian winters. So like he didn't want flat spots and stuff like that. And then one of them also had a flat, or had like a leak. I can't talk today, guys, so I'm really sorry. One of them had a leak, so we took the screw out of that, put a plug in it, so that's all good to go. And then come springtime or summertime or whenever the weather gets nice out again, we'll slap the nice wheels back on, and it'll be a dope looking car again. S12 progress update. The engine bay is stitch welded, so with that being said, sneak peek. Sneak peek, will it focus? Will it focus? That's all you get for a sneak peek.
It's always whatever, anyway, every time. That's right, I'm scared to death. Scared of your eyes looking into my eyes. Scared that I'll back out and hold my breath. Wake up one morning and see your face. I can feel it coming back. These shivers are every day. Whoa, I say it's over. I get out of bed and leave. Yeah, just like that. I got the shivers. Whenever I would think about you. Now that I left, I live without you. I'm on my own again. I got the shivers. Whenever you went out of line, yeah. Now it's like everything is fine, yeah. 'Cause now I'm alone again. I get the shivers whenever I'm thinking about you. Just wanna leave and live without you. Be on my own again. I get the shivers whenever you go out of line, yeah. I feel it creeping down my spine, yeah. Wanna be alone again.
That's how far I've gotten. That took me about like a full week of welding to do because obviously I didn't want to warp the metal and all that stuff. It's really time consuming, guys. How many actual like spot welds or just welds in total do you think this car is gonna have when it hits the track? I'm guessing like around 1,000, but it could be more, it could be less. Secondly, I want to pick a name for this car. So I was thinking Frankenstein, just because of the way like the spot welds were look and stuff like that on like the strut towers and basically everywhere else. It literally looks like Frankenstein made this, so that's kind of cool. But if you guys have other suggestions, just comment down below. So now we're at a stage where I need to pull a lot of the interior out, mainly the dashboard and stuff like that, because it's got a lot of flammable insulation that I don't want to set on fire when I go to weld the firewall area. And
Outro time, outro time.
we got our first fan mail.
Look at that beauty. See that little guy right there? See that little dude right there? That's Guinness. It has nothing to do with cars, but it's alright. Okay! It's welded! No springy boys. Why?
They were in my way because I have to weld up here. Like all of this is welded underneath. They can't see because I already tried to record it.
Come here, let me show you. I can see it. Look, see? Welds. Look at that.
So all this is welded up here.
Dutch lasagna, bitches!
I don't care.
I keep swearing.
Oh well.
It's who I am as a person.
I'm starting to not care as much.
It's not like we're monetized.
Up to the viewers. They gotta like it and share it and subscribe and buy knob warmers too.
And follow us on Instagram. Segways are hard.
I don't care about segues. I just edit out.
Yeah. Okay, so welded. See that? We didn't lie to you last time when we said the bay's not welded. It's welded.
Technically, we lied to them.
You lied to them. I lied to them. It's all done. Struts are out. Things welded. My tires are on my car. My tires are also on my other car, which is sick. Captain Oblivious and Captain Obvious.
Obvious. Captain Easter Egg.
Obvious. Welcome to Bill Retro Garage.
We should have named this two idiots.
Yeah. Oh, it's snowing. I gotta go to Michael's. Here you go. Outro's done. This is the best outro ever. I keep hitting this button. Hey, Guinness, say something funny. Roby. Okay.
Roby? Ryobi.
Yeah.
I touched
There's a letter in there I don't think you caught.
This is really hard to do when you're only looking at the camera. Roby.
It was at this moment that he knew.
No, this is Sana. I feel like I'm singing. Sananaba. Sananab. Medium.
You're also trying to read it upside down.
Oh, yeah.
Did you stop recording?
No.
No, we're still recording. Alright, bye guys.
Dos Lavanya,